with these two graphs, okay, right here, I just want you to annotate something real quick. On the left, I would like you to annotate this phrase. There's a sign change. And what I mean, okay, it's the behavior right around the vertical asymptote. Look at this. Okay, this is heading to positive direction, and this part is heading to negative direction. That's what I mean by sign changes. Now, let me go ahead and create an example of what this could be. So maybe this is the x-intercept. Oh, no, I mean this x-axis. And then the function would be y equals to 1 over x minus 3. So this would actually be the vertical asymptote x equals to 3. Why is there a sign change? Okay, here's the explanation why there's a sign change and how they go in opposite directions. Consider an x value that is to the right-hand side of 3, like slightly bigger than 3, like 4 maybe, okay? So you say, well, what is 4 minus 3? Positive 1. 1 over 1 is 1. So it's positive. But then if you consider a number to the left or smaller than 3, say negative 2, no, I mean just 2. Just 2. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. 1 over negative 1 would be negative. So in most typical situations around the asymptote, you expect to see this kind of behavior, that the graph goes in opposite directions. One goes positive, one goes negative. And later on, when we do the graphing part, you can see that the graphing, it's super easy as long as you have a brain and you have a pair of eyes. There's no way that you can get it wrong, okay? No way, okay? But then over here, I would say, I would annotate this with no sign change, because they are both going to the positive direction. And when would this kind of thing happen? This kind of thing could happen when you have 1 over x minus 3 parentheses square. Well, with a square at 3, well, it doesn't matter if you pick a number bigger than 3 or less than 3. You subtract them and you square them. That means it will end up to be positive after you square it. So that explains why there isn't any sign changes when you have this square thing. And tomorrow we'll discuss a bit more about what this 2 means. That means multiplicity, but we will save that for tomorrow. Okay. So today we'll just go over something very simple, very straightforward. Okay.